It's Mr. Peace. Just got done speaking here at NeSmith Elementary School in Lavon, Texas, near Dallas, and got to address the kindergarten through second graders today, all about anti-bullying, really trying to look at someone's heart before anything else, just like you would see your best friend for what's on the inside. That's what truly counts. And like the shirt says here, one race human, that we choose to see everybody around us as human beings before anything else, that we choose to include them, especially those that might be born different than us, that we still see the worth inside all of them, right? Whether they walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, whatever it is, that we still choose to accept them and show that unconditional love. So we talked about how hurt people, which is a choice, and one of the biggest reasons that bullying does happen, but that if we choose to finally become healed in our hearts, that healed people can eventually help to heal people by showing others kindness, the same kindness that was originally shown to them. And like Dr. King says, the time is always right to do what is right, and what is right is to show compassion to everybody around us, right? And so going through some different stories of other students their age all across this country that, had been bullied themselves, but finally chose to turn that pain into greatness and then start to show the love to others around them. It really goes right in line with what NeSmith here is committed to do. It says, committed to providing our students with the tools necessary to become purposeful and positive members of our community. And so hopefully today they gained a couple more tools about really how to choose love no matter what, that love does overcome hate, and we don't have to carry that burden, that weight any longer, that we can replace it with kindness, replace it with love, see someone for their heart first, and also choose to see someone for this too. We talked about how every one of us has the letter M etched on the palm of all of our hands. With the lines of each of our hands, we have the letter M, which stands for miracle, upside down W, and that stands for worthy, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it. But at the end of the day, we still have that choice, right? Whether we choose to show that love or choose to show the hatred. And hopefully we choose love. So thanks again for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. You guys are beautiful. Until next time, much love and peace.